Hey, what's up? Michael Dela Cruz here, and chances are you're looking for a way to grow a business. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow a business using a blog thanks to the Google strategy. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing you need to grow a business using a blog is obviously a blog, right? And I personally use HostGator. That's my blog, provider, and you can also buy a domain from them too. So I use a blog, and it's super simple to set up. Once you have all set up, you can contact support to help, if you need help to set up that up. But once you get started, you have your blog up and running, then it's ready for you to add content to it. And this is actually how you grow a business, using a blog, because you can get visitors, from Google, people that are searching for things on Google. You can actually target those people and direct them to your content that is relevant to what they're searching for. So the first thing you want to do, you want to identify what problems your industry has. If you like doing, let's say, weight loss, you want to see what people are searching for on Google. So the way you do that is by using a tool called Google Keyword Planner. And this is a free tool, right? This is a free tool that allows you to see what people are searching for and how many people are searching for that that specific phrase or keyword. So for example, between 1,000 and 10,000 people are searching for how to make a lead. I guess that's the thing. People want to make a lead. There's another one here, between 10 people and 100 people per month are searching for generate more sales. So what I'm telling you here is that you can once you create an account with a Google Keyword Planner, if you don't have one, all you need is a Gmail account. You want to take any of the keyword, you want to search for a solution that people are searching for. Let's say they're having problems with weight loss. You can do how to lose weight, how to lose my belly fat. You can look for keywords like that, and then you take that keyword and you put it into your contents, title and description, and in the tags, right? So let me show you. So this is what they mean by search engine optimization. It's you telling Google what your post is about. So when somebody's searching for that keyword, which you already know what the keyword is, then you're telling Google that your post is about that. So then you're gonna get visitors, people that are searching for things, and you're gonna get them finding your stuff. So you don't have to chase people, you don't have to chase families and friends, you don't have to go meet people at the mall, coffee shops, or anything like that. You're actually having people search for things. And that's one thing I discovered before I even became aware of this, when I even started online, is that I literally discovered that people were searching for solutions to the problems using Google. And that's why I learned about using a blog to do that. Okay, so basically, like for example, this post right here says effective ways to promote your business, or 3 effective ways to promote your business. I'm actually using the keyword effective ways to promote your business. As you can see, I have that on my title, I have that bolded on my description. I might have that keyword elsewhere too in the bottom, in the description right here. I have it as a H2 title, effective ways to promote your business, and then I have it on on the tags down below. I think I passed it. Let me go up again. So you see, you get the idea. So I'm actually this post is about people. It's actually talking to people that are searching for effective ways to promote their business, and I have the solution on that blog. So you want to share the solution on that blog, right? And when you focus on solving people's problems, guess what? People are gonna want to do business with you because you help them out, right? People want to do business with people that are actually helping them out. Okay, so I gave them the solution here. I made a video, I put a post, and the most thing that people get stuck on when they think of a blog is that they think they have to spend hours and hours writing articles and things like that. You don't have to do that. You can actually pay people to write you articles. Okay, so let's say you want to make an article, a blog about an article about a solution that your industry solves, or that your opportunity solves, or that your product solves. What you can do, you can go to a website called Fiverr.com, right? You go to Fiverr.com and you literally search for services for people that, to write blog posts, to people that can write you articles that you can share on your blog, right? And you can actually go to the keyword and you can tell those people to include that keyword in that article. Write your article about that keyword. That way everything is in that keyword. So you see, you don't have to really spend a lot of time doing this. I believe you need between 500 to 1,000 words in your blog to make it effective for Google. So this is how you really grow a business, using a blog, because people are searching for what you're already offering. Strategically using the keywords in your blog that people are searching for on the search anyways. Okay, and this is how you grow your business using a blog. All right, and this is a good book right here. I recommend. As you can see, I have a book here. People click on that, and it's a book that will show them how to market effectively on the internet. It's called Legendary Marketer, and it's by one of my mentors. You want to grab that book, you can message me. If you're watching this on Facebook, just message me and I'll send you we'll ship you the book. We'll pay for the book. All you have to pay is for the shipping. And yeah, get your hands on that book, okay? And but other than that, this is how you build. If you do this, if you have a blog, you get your blog and you use the Google keyword plan and you use those keywords on there, and super simple stuff to do. So once you have your posts up, you already solve a problem. You added a call to action on there. Then you want to once you publish that post, then you want to get backlinks to it. And backlinks, what that means is just simply pointing people from different websites to your content. So your website your post is being distributed to different websites that are high authority, right? And you can use the same web page here, Fiverr.com, to really to get people to build you backlinks, because it's going to take a while if you try to do that your own for you to rank on Google, for Google to start sending you visitors. Okay, so that's what you want to do as the last step, is to go to Fiverr.com and get the backlinks on there. Okay, so this is how you really build and grow any business on the internet using a blog. All right, so go to Host. I personally use HostGator to get a blog. If you don't have one, I use HostGator. You're gonna create your own blog with your own domain. That way you have your own online presence, because things nowadays is the internet, so you want to have an online presence. And once you get your blog, go to the keyword planner. You can create a free account, and then you search for the keyword. Then you copy and paste that keyword, and you use it on your post, on your content, right, on the title, description, and tags. And then you want to go to Fiverr to create backlinks for that post. So all you got to put in that blog is solutions to problems that your industry is having. That whether that's weight loss, whether that's fitness, health and wellness, whether that's making money online, whether that's internet marketing, etc. This is how you do it. Okay, using the blog. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you're watching this on my YouTube, go ahead and hit subscribe. That way you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And if you want to learn more about how to make money online, or how to access to great training on on internet marketing, go ahead and click the link below and check out that free training that I got for you. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.